At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is simply about making computers smart enough to think and learn like humans, or at least perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think of it like this. With traditional computer programs, you give the computer very specific step-by-step instructions for everything it needs to do. If something new does come up, you have to write and give the computer new instructions. However, with AI programs, you give the computer data, a goal, and it learns how to achieve that goal on its own, even adapting to new situations. So, why is this such a big deal for education? Because education is incredibly complex and human-centered. AI offers the potential to personalise learning, automate tedious tasks, and provide insights that were previously impossible to achieve.